Hi, and welcome to ProFBO ProMRO for Acumatica. ProFBO and ProMRO are embedded add-ons for Acumatica tailored for the aviation and the maintenance, repair, and overhaul industries. Today I will be demonstrating how item requirements work within the project module to allow users to issue stock and place sales orders and purchase orders directly from the project for items that are specified on the project. Please note that when we reference a project, it may be called a work order or job depending on your industry or business model. Let's look at how item requirements work. First, let's go to our projects area, and then we'll select a project that I've already created for our customer, Chocolates by Design. We created this project using the service profile functionality, so the costs are already on the project. Let's go to the Item Requirements tab, and all of the required parts have been listed under the Item Requirements tab. Here we can check stock by clicking on the item and then clicking View Item Availability. This will show us how much we have on hand and how much are available and how much hard available we have. So as we can see here, we have plenty of the miscellaneous parts for clean and inspect. If we click on the pump, for example, and view the item availability, we'll notice that there are no pumps on hand. So we would want to order those with the purchase order. So first, let's go ahead and process an inventory issue directly from the Item Requirements tab. We've already checked the availability on the miscellaneous parts, and we know that we have plenty in stock. We're going to select the line, and then we're going to change the request type to inventory. Once this is saved, we're going to go ahead and release the inventory and tell the system to release inventory issues. Once this has been processed, we will receive a document number here, and we can go directly from the project to the document. Then this document can be processed as normal. Now let's go ahead and do a sales order issue. So let's check the stock on the seal by clicking the item availability, and we have 100 of those ready to ship out. Close that. We're going to select the seal, and then we're going to change the request type to inventory again. But then when we release the inventory, we're going to select release sales orders. So once the sales order has been created, we're going to have the document number listed here, and we'll be able to go ahead and click on that document and view the sales order. And here's the sales order that's linked to the project. You can see the project number and the project task here. Now, let's go ahead and process a purchase order for some items that we know we don't have in stock. We already checked the pump, so let's check the filter so we can do two at one time. The filter has stock, so let's check the valve body. Okay, valve body, there is no inventory on hand. So we're going to select the pump and change the rec type to purchase order, and then we're going to select a vendor. Now let's select the valve body and change the type to purchase order. Now you can select the same vendor as we did before, or select a different vendor. If you select multiple vendors, then multiple purchase orders will be created. For example, we're going to select the same vendor. Then we're going to go ahead and click Release Purchase Orders. Once the purchase order has been created, you can see the document number here and the line number here. Let's go ahead and open that purchase order so we can see the system creates a regular purchase order and references the project information, the project number, and the project task. And the purchase order can be processed as normal. And that is how to utilize the ProFBO ProMRO item requirements functionality. Thank you for joining us.